Hi, I'm Dar from the Helia Technology Report, and today I'm here to unbox a Snom PA1. Now, the Snom PA1 is quite a versatile device. It's won a number of awards over the years. Snom itself is a German manufacturer, and it's been around since the beginning of VoIP. Now, with the Snom PA1, it's the components are actually derived from a Snom 300 desk phone, and what they've done is put in a different package. So there's an amplifier that can drive a speaker. There's a microphone input, as well as you can create your own custom keypad for it, add additional buttons, and drive relays. Now, one of the applications of this is for a door speaker. So if you want someone to press a button, place a call, and ring a phone or phones, you can do that with this device at a very good price compared to other products out there. So let's get started. Let's unbox the Snom PA1. Okay, so this is the Snom PA1. We've got the serial numbers and whatnot. Let's open it up. So we've got the instruction booklet. This is the amplifier. We've got some mounting screws. Inside packaging. And then the wire kit. So there is 4 wire adapters that come with it, and these plug into the jacks on the side of the PA1 for keyboard and other functions. Now these rails here, these do come off, but not for me right now. Okay, so on the top here we've got the VDD, we've got an IO2 which drives relays, we've got a keyboard connector, the speaker outputs, and then a mic in and a line out jack. Oh, there it comes. And on the other side there is another I/O adapter. We've got an extension where you can plug an analog phone into it for testing. Port 1 PoE, that's how you power this device. It's one of the options. And a pass-through, just like on the Snom 300 phone. It does not come with a power adapter, but you can plug a standard 5-volt Snom power adapter in, the on-call and the power lights, and then the IP and reset button. Now, what you can do with this device is once you have it powered, you can plug a speaker or another something on the line out here so you can actually hear the audio, and then when you press this IP reset button, the Snom PA1 will read out the IP address that this is configured for. So it's easy to connect with your computer to the web interface and configure it. If you hold it down for 10 seconds, it will do a factory reset on this device. Okay, so that is the Snom PA1. Thanks for watching. You can find out more information about the Snom PA1 at www.buyphonesonline.ca. Bye for now.